Welcome to our presentation on Introduction to the Compensation Plan. In this specific presentation, we will present to you on how DXN can be a dream-achieving company through its full range of revolutionary health products. Hence, to realize your dreams by using its global network. Make sure you don't miss this golden opportunity in your life. This compensation plan is perfectly suitable for anyone who wishes to do his or her DXN business on a home-based basis, anywhere and in more than 65 countries. You can do it part-time, full-time, and all the time at your own pace without pressure. You can start with DXN Business by spending a few hours per week while still carrying on your existing career or business to earn some extra money. As you earn more, you can consider this business as your second career. Ultimately, you can use DXN Business to earn the income that lasts for your lifetime. The best part of this compensation plan is that as long as you're committed in doing this DXN business, you will earn monthly benefits, multiple benefits, and lifetime benefits, which can even be inherited by your next of kin. It's very easy to get started with DXN Business. Get yourself registered as a member and start to use the products. Learn and share your knowledge and build your network, just like you used to go to school, college, and university. You will then be promoted gradually from a member to a star agent, star ruby, star diamonds, and ultimately crown ambassador. The key to succeed in DXN Business is all about the right duplication, which can be done by undergoing comprehensive trainings provided by the system of the company. By the law of nature, what you learn will be lost from 100% to 0% without a proper system of training for duplication. To succeed, you need to have a plan. DXN has a predictable plan that will help you to start from scratch to earn from a mere $300 US to over $100,000 US per month, provided that you can stay focused and committed to these 4 phases. In Phase 1, there are 4 steps for you to follow, from how to do prospecting to following through with new recruits. In Step 1, you can create your own flyers, name card, and voicemail recording to be given out to any potential prospect anywhere. These flyers and voicemail recordings will communicate a very brief message about the company, products, compensation plan, and success stories to your potential prospects. In this way, there will be no personal contact, and so you will avoid the fear of rejection. However, if the prospect is interested, he will call you back. By then, you can create excitement and anxiety by sharing with them more about DXN. When you are with your interested prospects, make it crystal clear that DXN Business is the business that he or she cannot afford to miss. Then, proceed to Step 3. In Step 3, you will need to give your prospect the corporate VCD and CDs containing presentations of business opportunity meeting, simple food theories, and business potential for your prospects to go through at their own convenient time at home. In Step 4, you have to follow up and follow through with your new recruits by giving them proper trainings on the basic modules stated in Step 3 and helping them to do the same from Step 1 to 4. In Phase 2, you will need to start from small by setting a realistic target of earning just $300 per month by spending a few hours per week in repeating Phase 1 of prospecting. DXN has a full range of health-related products for you to choose, ranging from food supplement to beverage and personal care product. Every month, you spend a few $100s in food, beverage, and personal care products, and yet nothing was paid back to you. Why don't you think of changing the brands of the products that you used to buy to DXN products? In doing so, you will earn a lot of money from your network, as well as other benefits. If you would like to earn more, just have a glimpse on one of the bonuses called Development Bonus that you will be entitled to. It can be as high as $100,000 and more per month, as enshrined in the compensation plan. Of course, you will need to build the 10-10 structure for that. Just have a look at another separate type of bonuses called Leadership Bonus. It can be as high as $100,000 and more per month with a 20-20 structure. How do you think it is possible to earn so much money from the compensation plan by doing DXN business? It is simply because of the power of people. That is to say, by getting 100% outcome from 1% out of 100 people instead of you alone working at 100%. This is the real power of multi-level marketing. DXN has a system for right duplication throughout many countries around the world. In DXN's system for success, tens of thousands of distributors have produced extraordinary results as an ordinary person, irrespective of their professions. If they can do it, we truly believe that you too are able to be as successful as they are. We all have dreams. Register with us now, and we look forward to helping you to achieve your dreams.
For more information, contact me now.